How you? Hopefully you're fine. This is the most awesome video. Just need to watch the complete video and you will love it. Here you can see profitable trades around 74% in the gold in 5 minute time frame. But I know you are yeah, you have need to watch the back testing. Okay, let's go to the setting of this indicator, and we have need to go to the style, and here we have need to hide the buy and sell signal first. Now here we have need to concern on long signal and short signal. Here you can see the accuracy is around 74% accuracy. Here you can see, but you yes, just like mentioned, you have need a back testing, so I will show you the back testing first, then we will discuss the whole detail later. First I have need to show you the back testing results first. Here we got the buy signal, and we have need to here we got the short signal as well. Okay, here all signals are very good, but we have need to bar replay mode start neo, and we will test from here. We got the short signal, and before getting the short signal we have need to back test this indicator like here. And let me show you, I will show you the results in the crypto forex stock in the all market. This indicator is working, and I will show you the results in all markets. Okay, here first need to watch the back testing results first. Okay, we have need to play the video, and yes, it's play, and yes, we have need to faster like 10x will be good. Okay, here we go. Here we got just like and you will not believe the results. Okay, okay, here you can see the results of this sell trade is awesome. Okay, okay, let's see the more results here. Okay, here we got the buy signal. When you got the buy signal, the price was 3863. Okay, and the market goes from 3862 to around 3875. Okay, $10 $12 movement so far from this point, but it's still going upside. Okay, here we go. That is the results of this indicator. I know you will love it. You will not love it, you will definitely love it. Okay, and here we go. I will show you the backtesting results of to the current market. Let me show you the board results here. Okay, the indicator name is King Cobra, and you have this is awesome one, this is another one, this is another one, and this is another one. Okay, and well, and just wait few more minutes and let me show you more results, and you will see the results, and will definitely approach me to get this indicator. Okay, okay, there is some internet issue, maybe that's fine. Okay, and I will also show you the MT4 auto trading bot. That is my best effort to make this and make the MT4 better, and here this one is not a profit one. Okay, but the beauty of this indicator, if you get loss in one trade, definitely in the second trade, on the next trade, you will your loss recover in the next trade and the profit as well. But the point here you have need to note here, the point is there is a very short loss, a very small loss actually. Okay, and here you can see small profit, here you can small profit, and this one is another good one. And you can see when you got the signal, the price was 3963. Okay, and the market is now 63242. Okay, around $20 movement in the gold. And you know, in the gold $20 movement, what does that mean? Okay, and here when you got the signal, the price was 3955, and market goes from double five to awesome way. Okay, and you know, well, market currently gold is on its peak. Okay, and here you got the short signal, and amazing one. Yes, that is actually a commentary type, but that's okay. Here you can see when you got the signal, price was 4019. Okay, and this is the current trade. Okay, and you will love it. Now you will definitely love this indicator. Okay, here you go, you can see, and I will show you the trading bot results first, and then we'll show you the results in different pairs. Like first show you the results in the crypto pair. Let show you results in the BTC, and we have need to uncheck the replay bar. You can see there is some slow internet issue, but that's fine. And I will show you first. Here you can see currently it's giving you it is giving just 2.52 dollar profit so far. Okay, and here there it's open 1 2 3 and 4 trades. Okay, this is auto trading board. Okay, and you can see it's a virtual private server. Okay, let me show you. It's a forex virtual private server. Okay, so and I put the here I put $350 around. Let me show you here. uh, Currently balance is $407, and I deposit. Let me show you. Go to the account history. Okay, and here I have to show you. Here you can see I put the bot. Let me show you the dates. Okay, and here from 6 October to current date is 9 October. From 6 7 8 and 9, fourth day, this is the fourth day of the bot. And you will see it's giving you profit of around 303 is $36. And the deposit here you can see. Okay, deposit. And the so far the profit and loss here you can see in the 4 days. Okay, and the deposit here you can see. Okay, in the second one bot, let me show you. Just this bot, I put just bot. This is the XNS bot, and MetaTrader 4. And here you have me to watch. Let me show you. There is some slow internet issue. Okay, and it's working. Okay, let me show you. Just I just put the bot in here, and here this is the just second two trades, most recent trades here. Okay, and it's open the Euro USD chef in the Euro USD. And yes, Euro USD trades. Let me go show. Here you can see sell trade in the Euro USD, and the buy trade in the USD chef. Okay, let me show you the results in the USD chef. Okay, I just put the board here. You can see the real. These are real boards. Okay, I just 5 minutes ago, or you can say 5 to 10 minutes ago, I put this board in XNES real account. Okay, and you can see if you go to the account history. Let me show you the account history as well. I have need to show you the account history. Okay, there is some internet issue. That's fine. Well, okay. I think you watch the results of the bot and you will love it. Okay, and when the internet will be okay, then I will show you the more results here. Okay, let's go to the study tester first, and here let's see the results of this trading indicator, trading view indicator. And it's giving you around 68% accuracy, and that is actually a very good one, not a bad at all. Okay, and if you will see the accuracy in the Solana, it will give you accuracy. Let me show you working. It's loading, and let me show you. I show you the back testing, and will show you the one testing back testing one more time. Here you can see 81%. That is really awesome, man. That is really awesome. Okay, and let me show you the first very small bar replay mode, so you can see the indicators are 100% on repainted. Okay, it's loading chart, and let me show you. Here we got the buy signal. Okay, we have need to test this indicator from this point. Okay, let's see. You can see the previous result as well. Okay, let me show you the previous result here. You can see the previous results. Okay, that is awesome. Okay, first here you will go. We check the bar replay mode, and now the indicator will be in the bar replay mode. Here you can see. Okay, here you can see. Okay, that look awesome. Yes, it is. Okay, here we go. Here we go. And come on, here you go. You can see this indicator did not give you a very and still signal did not give you a very good profit actually. Okay, but in the next trade, just like I mentioned, if you get loss in one trade, your loss and the profit in the next trade. But the main point is, if you get loss, you will be your loss will be very small. Okay, there is some slow internet issue, but that's okay, and you can see it's working perfectly fine. And I show you the back testing results. And if you need the indicator, yes, if you need the indicator, you can contact me. Let me show you my contact details here. These are my contact details. If you need the indicator, you can contact me on my WhatsApp, Telegram, write one at the end if you want to contact me on my Telegram. And Gmail, simple hoga at gmail.com if you want to contact me on my Gmail. I give you the best explanation, and hopefully you will love this video as usual. And my indicators are paid. Remember, my indicators are paid, not free of cost. Okay, and hopefully you will love this video. And now it's time to subscribe my channel and must like my video. Okay, any query, any question, you can contact me. Okay, I am giving you the best support to the all people, and currently more than 250 people are using by these indicators. Okay, and all the people are loving and enjoying this indicator. Any query, any question, you can ask me, and I give you the best explanation, and will give you the best support as well. But remember, my indicators are paid, not free of cost. Okay, I give you the best explanation, and it's time to subscribe my channel and must like my video. For the next video, bye bye, take care.